Hey everyone, Spencer Jones here. Hope you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about something that's very important. That's your YouTube filming room design or filming space design. One of the next big obstacles that can stand in your way once you have decided to create your YouTube video or talk on a specific topic is of course the space where you film your YouTube video. With a little bit of creativity, you can change any space into a YouTube filming space. Every one of you should have a go-to filming space where you film majority of your YouTube videos. So I'm going to show you my YouTube filming room. It will always be good if you can have multiple angles and multiple places where you can shoot your YouTube video so that you can keep your audience engaged. Changing your background will actually keep them engaged without losing their attention. So let me take you to my YouTube filming space which I have created. So let's go. And here is my YouTube filming space. This is a very small area which I've got. I've only got this space right now. This background which you see right here, this is a very congested space. Let me show you how I convert this into a space where I can have multiple angles to create videos in different angles and to keep the viewers engaged. Let me show you how I do it. So you can see this is a very small space here, very small area. So you can see this is the whole area which I intended for recording my YouTube videos, but I haven't been using this area for almost 2 years now, so I'm going to remodel it. I have already worked on this area, but this space is just not using this space. You can see this space I can use, this wall I can use, and also I can use this wall. So I'm going to remove this. This is where I remove the white backdrop. I'm going to remove this whole thing. These are my soft boxes. I have my tripods here. I also have these lights to light up my backdrop, which I haven't been using anyway. So I'm going to remove all this. See if I can use the space. I just ran out of battery. Always have another set of battery ready so that you can get rolling immediately. I've just put the other battery for charging right here. Yes. And let me put this camera on the tripod again. Okay. You might be wondering what these are. These are just boxes that I use to keep my stuffs organized so that there won't be much dust accumulated, and also this area will stuff all my things without getting dust. I just need to dust off these boxes and the whole area can be cleaned immediately without much effort. Otherwise, if you keep all this stuff up, you are going to do this extra job which you really don't need to. Okay, now let's show you how this light works. Have two adjustments and you just need to turn on the light, and here you have the neon light, and turn it off and then turn on the white light. Two lights. You can also illuminate both the lights at one go. That's how good these lights are. So I know how difficult it is for you to see the entire thing because I'm on a 18 to 55 lens. I'm going to shift it to 10 to 18 and let's see the difference. So I've changed to to the 10 to 18 lens. Now let's see the difference. Yeah, this is 18mm lens. There might be a distortion when I move to the side, I think. Anyway, first of all, you need to have a really good space where you can create videos. It's the first step. If you don't have a place where you can record videos, you are not going to do it. So make it obvious, make it easy, so that you will record more often. These are all going into this camera here. Yeah. Now the third screen. First was the white backdrop, then the black backdrop, then this white, and behind that the curtain. So now you can keep it on the side, but when you keep after that, when you store all those things, that's why I have this very special couch. If you see this, this is actually a storage area. It's not just a place to sit down and record. It's just more than that. Let me show you. Okay, you can see this, right? Now, this is what I'm talking about. That's where I can easily keep this bowl and close. See that? What a brilliant idea, right? Now let's get back to work again. Yes, a little story about this lens. I actually started a vlog on our brand, Dr. Stanley's. I was actually using this 18 to 55mm lens. Then I bought this 10 to 18 and then I used it. And then my face was distorted, and that's the last video I did. After that I didn't really do any video at all. I also shared the last video on Facebook, but I recently, yesterday, I just made it private so that nobody will see it. That just shows you how much confidence a lens can give you. Your confidence shouldn't be on the lens, your confidence should be on who you are, not on what your lens or how you look like on a lens. If you base your trust on a lens or your workspace, you are not going to get anything like I'm doing it. I haven't done much on this workspace because it wasn't feeling comfortable, but I could have done videos which wouldn't look that good, but I could have done some videos, but I didn't. You don't need any of these to create a video. You don't need any of these to really create videos. All you need is a mobile phone, any camera, and then confidence to hit record and speak. If you have that, you will just do really great. Yeah, it's safe and secure, and some more rest. I mean, when you clean your space, You always need to know how to clean up your space. Don't always trust on other people to clean up your space. You have to do it yourself. Especially when you are doing YouTube videos, you should be an all-rounder. You might be wondering how I am able to walk around and record these videos. Another tip, I have a lavalier mic here. You see that? And it's connected to my Rode wireless Go. With a wireless mic, I can just plug my lavalier mic and put it in my pocket and then walk around without any problem. And it will be synced to my receiver over the top, wireless receiver over the top of my camera. I'm putting a link to my Rode wireless Go in the description, so do check it out and buy if you can. This is a space which I just removed those backdrops. Look like there's a lot more space here. Good one. Really good one. Really good one. You need to always keep your work area or workspace clean and tidy and arranged, organized. Otherwise, it is going to mess up with your productivity. Now, just by removing that backdrop stand and those 3 layers of backdrops, let me show you how many recording areas are created. So let me show you. This is area number 1. Because I moved this couch here, I can move this tripod up there and I can get this wide angle view, which is really good, which looks really good. And I can get another angle like this. Also, I can get another angle like this. It also gives you a whole different view. Also, I can get this view. This view you just saw earlier. I can even put something here to use this wall as well. This is another angle from the same curtains background, and see how this scene has totally changed. See how this space has totally changed. What did I do? All I did was add an element to the little space that we have, and see how this has become a really good looking YouTube recording space. This is how easy it is to create a recording space for your YouTube video. All you need is a small space, any space, which you can convert into a really good looking space for recording your YouTube video. Now let me show you the wide angle look from that space, the board and all those things. Let me show you how it changes by just changing the lighting. So let's change the scene right now. What do you think about this? Is there anything special about my current video versus the other? The only difference is adding an extra light, and that extra light is what made all the difference. I only have 2 main lights just above my camera. That's one is the Aputure LED small LED light, which is a $50 light, and another is a Newer light, which is also a very cheap light. These are the lights I have lit up above my camera. Other than that, I have added an extra light, and that's above my head. As you can see, it just lights up my hair as well as my shoulders as well as this portion, but it makes a huge difference. I'm going to show you where that light is. That light is just directly above my head, and this is the light that makes all the difference in this video. This is how you can find a space for recording your YouTube videos right where you are. You might be thinking you don't have space for recording videos, but just look closer. Just really look and see what you can do. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also click the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I publish new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.